Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech and innovation. Today, we are diving into one of the best electric robot mowers on the market, the ENTHBOT Genie 3000. If you're tired of the hassle of traditional lawnmowers and want a smarter, more efficient solution, then this product is definitely worth your attention. The ENTHBOT Genie 3000 is not just another robot lawnmower. It's a game-changer for your yard maintenance. With no perimeter wires to worry about, setting up this mower is a breeze. You don't have to deal with the complicated and often frustrating task of installing boundary wires. The Genie 3000 comes ready to go, allowing you to start mowing your lawn right out of the box. What sets the Genie 3000 apart from others is its advanced RTK Plus 4i vision system. This cutting-edge technology combines RTK positioning with a 3D vision system that uses 4 cameras to accurately map your lawn. This dual positioning system ensures precise mowing, even in areas where GPS signals may be weak or obstructed. Whether it's under trees or near buildings, you can trust that the Genie 3000 will get the job done without interruption. Obstacle avoidance is another standout feature of this mower. Equipped with a 300 degrees vision system and 360 degrees physical sensors, the Genie 3000 can detect and avoid over 1,000 different objects in its path. Whether it's garden furniture, pets, or any other obstacles, the mower will steer clear to keep your garden safe. The Genie 3000 also offers impressive multi-zone management. You can easily set up to 30 different mowing zones, perfect for those with complex lawns that require specific care in different areas. Plus, it includes a no-go zone option, allowing you to exclude areas like swimming pools or flower beds from the mowing route for added precision and safety. One of the most convenient features of this mower is the Smart App Control. With the ENTHBOT app, you can monitor and control your mower remotely. Whether you're on vacation or just at home, you can adjust mowing schedules, check the battery level, and even see the progress of your mower in real time. This makes lawn care effortless and gives you peace of mind. The battery life on the Genie 3000 is impressive, offering up to 240 minutes of mowing on a single charge, and it only takes about 120 minutes to fully recharge. That means more time spent enjoying your lawn and less time worrying about your mower. This mower also integrates well with modern smart home devices, offering Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and 4G connectivity. Whether it's updating the mower's firmware via OTA updates or adjusting settings on the fly, it's all possible with the Genie 3000. To top it off, this robot lawnmower is designed with durability and style in mind. Its aluminum and plastic construction ensures it's lightweight yet robust, and the sleek gray design will fit right in with any modern home. In conclusion, the ENTHBOT Genie 3000 is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their lawn care routine. Its combination of advanced technology, ease of use, and intelligent features makes it the best electric robot mower on the market. If you're ready to enjoy a perfectly manicured lawn with minimal effort, the Genie 3000 is the way to go. Thanks for watching Product Critique. We'll see you in the next video.